This is a Garmin golf watch, Approach S40. I'm going to play golf today, but yesterday evening, I plug in this, I charge, but I didn't charge this morning. So I'm going to take a look. When you met this issue, the first you want to make sure your USB port is okay. So I use this to verify if the USB port has power and working. You can see this, the green light is flickering, so the port is okay. I unplug this, plug this in. So this is still not charged. Okay, let's take a look. I unplug it. If you take a close look, there's a dirt and the debris inside. So I used the tooth stick to take it out. When play the golf, your arm is sweating, and there's a dirt and the sweat coming in, and make it happen. That's the dirt I pick out, and then after that, I use the air blaster, blast away dirt and the dust. I shake it hardly. After I shake it, I apply to blow away the dust and the dirt. I also blow away the dust and the dirt at the cable connector. Next, I'm going to use electrical contact cleaner to clean the connectors electrically. Before I do it, I shut down the power. This is a can of electrical contact cleaner. I shake it first. After I shake it, I point it to the watch connector and the spray. I also sprayed the contact cleaner to the cable connector. I dry out, use the tissue. And then I plug in to see if it's work. Usually it works. If it still doesn't work, we will go to the next step. Next, I'm going to use the long nose plier to tighten up the connector surroundings. That sometimes is loose after you wobbling, and then after you tighten it up, I press in, you can see here we go, it's charging. I appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy golfing.